The Independent National Electoral Commission has indicated plans to propose the replacement of permanent voters' cards with computer-generated slips for voter accreditation. INEC Chairman Prof. Mahmood Yakubu announced this at a meeting with Resident Electoral Commissioners (RECs) in Abuja, stating that the reform stems from INEC review of the 2023 general elections and subsequent off-cycle elections. Professor Yakubu said it seeks to create a platform where the future voter accreditation may rely on computer-generated slips that could either be issued to voters or downloaded from INEC website.
This will not only save cost, it will also eliminate the issues around the collection of PVCs and the diabolical practice of buying up the cards from voters in order to disenfranchise them.
The INEC chairman further gave a breakdown of recommendations arising from the review of the 2023 general elections.
This is an appropriate time for us to commence the implementation of the recommendations from our review meeting of the general election.
Other reforms the INEC boss hinted at includes plan to introduce early special voting for millions of Nigerians who do not vote due to other roles during elections, as well as support for diaspora voting, and unbundling of the commission with the establishment of electoral offences tribunal and a separate agency to handle registration and regulation of political parties. CNN News.